prime mantis in the bird feeder, I guess? Why is the prime mantis in the bird feeder? It's a prime mantis. A prime mantis. A prime mantis. Prime mantis. Prime mantis. Prime mantis. Prime mantis. Prime mantis. But why is the prime mantis in the bird feeder? No way, it's the sage were the one that attracted it. It's a baby prime mantis. A mantis. It's a mantis. Mantis, mantis, mantis. A mantis, mantis, mantis. You move? I did see his head move.
Oh, so do you notice he's missing a leg? He's an old one.
He's missing. Where is he missing a leg? Where's
Oh,
one
no,
of
he's
his?
not missing a leg. I thought it was his fourth one here.
Yeah, he is not missing a leg.
He had it bent up.
That's why it looks like he is.
It's cute.
I don't get how a prime mantis came to a bird feeder instead of a bird or a squirrel.
He's watching something.
He probably wants to watch like another squirrel. There's a prime mantis on the bird feeder. In the bird feeder. Mantis, 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 mantis.
It's cool looking, huh?
Yeah.
He's dancing.
He's dancing? Oh, he is dancing.